Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome back to Tesla's Wild. If you're new here, my name is Colin, and yeah, we're not going to do the entire intro this time. This is just going to be a quick tip video. So as you guys know, I recently uploaded a video about a road trip that we did to Minnesota. I'm going to card this across the top of the video. So yeah, when you go to Minnesota from Colorado, you start in Mountain Standard Time, and then you cross over into Central Standard Time somewhere in the middle of nowhere, Nebraska. Anyways, when we were on this road trip, the Tesla Model 3 did just fine updating to the Central Standard Time Zone in that middle of nowhere location in Nebraska. But when we came back from Minnesota, the Tesla Model 3 never wanted to update back to Mountain Standard Time. So it's been stuck in Central Standard Time for about a week and a half now, which has been slightly frustrating. I've just been hoping that it would update, but it just hasn't for whatever reason. So I finally got around to looking it up online, and it seemed kind of obscure how to do this, and there's not really a lot of documentation out there. So I think I found the solution, and we're gonna get in the Tesla Model 3 and give it a try. So let's see if this works. All right. See, the time currently says 22:48, which is 10:48 p.m. This is Central Time, so as we can see on my Apple Watch, it's actually 21:48, which is 9:48 p.m. So I read online that if you press and hold on the time with your finger, it updates. There you go. All right, so there we have it. Yeah, it does actually work. So all you need to do is press and hold your finger on the left side of the time for about 5 to 10 seconds, and it does update your time zone. I was actually kind of surprised about how little documentation was out there for this. But yeah, it does look like it worked, and it did update to Mountain Standard Time from Central Time just by holding your finger on there for about 5 to 10 seconds. Hopefully this helped you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below. Make sure you stay tuned because I've got a lot of new videos coming your way, including some really cool product install and reviews. Really excited to show you guys these videos, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you guys next video.